Get it while it's hot, and on this episode, we are getting toasted with Froot Loops Pop-Tarts. Get it while it's hot, a show where we dive into the brilliance, absurdity, and deliciousness of food promotions and marketing. And on this show, we are diving in here with these Pop-Tarts. Mm-hmm. But they're Froot Loops Pop-Tarts.
Right.
And they even say on them, true to our show, limited edition. So if you didn't believe us, here it is. I couldn't find this, like many of our things, in stores. Was not in stores.
Special order this one.
I had to order it online. Yeah, I had to special order it, which, as much as I'm doing this, makes me wonder how much of these are legit. I'm really concerned I'm going to get this might be a box of asbestos from China. A lot of times we talk about there's some complexity, or I would even say like, oh, there's a cross-pollination of like this audience and this audience.
Sure.
Right? This one's just like right on. I mean,
yeah.
This is like, duh. There's not a lot here to break down except for when we eat them and taste them.
My question is, though,
yeah.
Is it established that each color of Froot Loop is a different flavor, or is it all just fruit flavored?
I'm actually really glad you asked that because I'm going to test you on that.
Okay.
So you didn't know that, but I'm going to test you on that. We're going to do a blind taste test because I was curious about that too. So I'm anxious to get these in my mouth hole. Mm-hmm. So open them up. I don't know if we're in for any surprises when we open this. Like I said, like asbestos or mashed potatoes or anything like that.
Feathers, maybe.
Feathers. Yeah. Looks pretty standard.
Ooh.
Standard. Nothing special, limited edition about that wrapper, from what I can tell. Oh,
that's right.
That's kind of neat.
Fun designs. Here, you hold that one.
Yeah, okay, I'll hold this one.
Here with Sam. And here's Sam with his little funny glasses.
And there was something on this box, something about, here we go. Here's encouraging you to share these on social media, Chris.
Sure.
So maybe we'll do just that on @HelloTricycle. We'll share how much fun we're having with Pop-Tarts on social media.
I have a little issue with the packaging where on the back here, Toucan Sam has fingers, but then on the front here, he's holding it with feathers.
May I?
So it seems a little inconsistent with this
you're right.
character design.
There is an inconsistency.
Does he have hands
there.
or does he not have hands?
How do you take your Pop-Tart? Do you like the medium rare, well done?
I go rare. I go full rare, untoasted, just straight out of the foil.
You're a monster.
Yeah.
All right, well, how about this? I will toast some. You can still be a monster and have one also raw, or half of one raw. Maybe there'll be a flavor difference.
Maybe.
So I'm glad you came to the table with that weirdo-ness that you have. So, all right, I'm going to go toast. I'll be right back. So while we wait for our Froot Loops Pop-Tarts to toast, I thought we could do that blind taste test that you kind of teed up to see if you feel like the Froot Loops actually have different flavors. Right? So what's your first hypotheses about that?
My gut tells me they're all the same. A green one might taste like apple or lime.
Okay.
Which, now that I say them out loud, sounds gross in a cereal.
Yeah.
So now I'm kind of hoping that I'm right.
Apple Jacks, I guess. I never ate those, though.
That's true.
Those aren't really apple.
No.
They're more like...
Which is all the more reason to suspect that these are not really.
Yeah, for sure.
But let's try it.
So do you want me to tell you the colors I'm giving you, or no? You don't. That would even leave you down a path to... You just want me to give you a loop, a fruity loopy, and then you will just hypotheses. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? And we have some coffee here as a palate cleanser for you. Okay, because you may or may not need it. Okay, here you go. This is your first one.
I'm going to guess that it's pink. Is there even a pink? I don't even know if pink's an option.
I'm not going to tell you. You said you didn't want to know. What, are you making up the rules as you go?
Strawberry is what?
Do you want me to tell you right now if you're right or wrong?
Do you even know the answer?
I know the color I gave you.
Okay, yeah, tell me what color it was.
Color was orange. Okay. So I can only assume that is orange.
Pretty solid.
Color and flavor and fruit.
Let's go with number 2.
Okay.
White?
White.
Tastes like puff.
What is that like?
It didn't taste like anything.
Like bamboo shoot? What is white? That's not a thing. What is white?
Water chestnut.
What?
That was a lemon.
Wrong. That was orange again.
Okay. Now I'm suspicious. Purple. It's orange again, isn't it? Are these
No,
all
it's
orange?
not. That was red.
Okay.
Or pink. All right, you want to try one more?
Let's do one more. Let me palate cleanse.
Okay.
Take this seriously.
All right, you ready for your next Fruit Loop?
Let's do it.
Okay. There's no need to be suspicious that this isn't in a loop. So don't worry about that. I can be trusted.
Whatever that is, it's definitely stale.
It's been in there for like 2 months.
It is a fruit,
Well, maybe.
because that is pumpkin.
That's a pumpkin spice, wheat, whatever. What are these things called? I don't know.
Mini wheat.
Mini wheat. That's right. It's a pumpkin spice mini wheat. It's actually pretty gnarly.
So technically a fruit.
Yeah, you're right. Technically a fruit. Well, okay. So here's a couple things, right?
Yeah.
You might just have like synesthesia, or you may not know your colors. Do you know your colors? Here, now that you have the blindfold off, what color is this?
Red?
Oh God.
Oh boy.
This is so boy. What do you think now, having tried several of them of
So,
different flavors, or I'm sorry, colors?
Fruit Loops are definitely fruit flavored.
Fruit flavored.
Yeah, I would say. There
Some
was no
ambiguous-
discernible difference between
Some
any of those.
ambiguous fruit
Right.
flavor. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see if that carries over into our Froot Loops Pop-Tarts.
Yeah.
And we're back.
All right.
And I am a real good chef.
Yeah.
You'll notice how well these are, just to confirm, to show, these are toasted.
Yeah, it's kind of got a burnt
Case
marshmallow.
hit-
marshmallow
No,
looking.
no. You could literally have from raw to medium to well done. You see, it's like
nice.
an all-in-one thing going on here.
Now,
So
do you think this is going to be bursting with lava
yes,
fruit flavor?
yes. So I want you to maybe eat it first. Why don't we try while these cool? Because they are legit still hot. Right. This is the kind of operation we run. They are truly lava. I've never had one. I mean, I probably have my whole life. Run raw, right? Is this like more healthy, right? In the raw, things in the raw.
Right. If you
more
cook a
healthy.
Pop-Tart, you cook all the nutrients out of it.
I knew it. You're so smart.
Oh,
Okay, so you did a crack.
So it's a
yeah.
weird
It does. Yeah, it's
pasty.
a weird color. That looks like a different color. Like that's not cherry. That's not strawberry.
That is fruit. It's almost got like a bubblegum texture look. Not bad.
That kills it. I mean, again, I have no reason to believe it wouldn't, but that is dead on.
It's bursting with fruit flavor.
It really is. You know, when I realized that both these were Kellogg's, I had this thing in my head like Kellogg's is like a Willy Wonka thing where somehow the Froot Loops guy and the Pop-Tarts guy met at like a company mixer. You know, like they're different guys. Or
They're
girls.
Just
to
I'm
be
head of
fair.
the Pop-Tart division.
Hey, oh my God. I've been meaning to talk to you. I just haven't been able to get on your calendar. I run the Froot Loops division. And I was thinking maybe we could do a little collab, you know? And then we got this. This is really good.
This has that Fruit Loop sweetness that hits you like at the top of the palate.
It does. It is very strong. Are you ready to go in on a cooked guy? I'm going to do a crack too.
God, it's so hot. I'm not going to have a roof to my mouth after this.
You don't need it. You know, I think you get more flavor in the cooked one. How say you?
I think that's just sulfur you're tasting now.
That's one of the
Yeah.
fruits. Sulfur. I think there's more flavor in the cooked one.
I think what you're feeling is like the cooling effect as your mouth is being torn apart by the heat.
I'm going to agree to disagree. Because you're just a purist. You can't deal with that the cooked one's better than the way you've been eating them for your whole life. Like you've missed out
Yeah.
on everything.
You can see how this looks superior. You can definitely tell just on the face of it, this is the better option.
I don't have much else to say. This was a win. Congratulations, Froot Loops Division President and Pop-Tarts Division President. You crazy Frankenstein bastards. You did it again. And please, put this in the stores. I know we like to, listen, Get It While It's Hot is all about these, novelty one, but this is good enough to get into the stores.
Now, I'll tell you this.
Yeah.
My favorite Pop-Tart, I
Yeah.
like the brown cinnamon and sugar one.
So weird. Okay.
I would love a Cinnamon Toast Crunch Pop-Tart. Right? Where's
If
that?
you guys are listening, please make that happen. Wow. That would be amazing. You just blew my mind. This has definitely been a win. So if you can get your hands on it, get it while it's hot, or I guess,
While
you're
it's
Chris,
scalding, yeah.
get it while it's scalding, or get it while it's completely uncooked. We'll see you next time. And as always, if there's something that you've come across, a food novelty, let us know in the comments. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more episodes of Get It While It's Hot, plus digital content, tips, marketing, all kinds of stuff. Thanks so much. Bye.
You didn't put like dog treats in here or anything, did you? Ross? Ross, are you still here? Want to do another take?